April and into May are the most active times for termite swarming. But remember, it's not just termites that swarm. Ants can swarm too. That means some of the colony grows wings and leaves their nest and goes to go start their own nest, make a new queen. The wings fall off and they're going to go back into the ground if they're termites, or the ants will go somewhere and find a new way to start a new nest. Even fire ants do this. So it's very rare to see this happen. It's a very quick few hour process that happens. So as my customers and people who are curious about termites versus ants in swarming season need to be aware of the differences between what to look for termites and ants, and always get them identified. Termites, when they swarm, will come pouring out of a baseboard or out of a wall or out of a ceiling, sometimes dozens at a time, sometimes hundreds at a time. And in that stage of their life, they've turned black and they have wings that are twice as long as their body, as we showed you on the chart at the beginning of this video. Ants that swarm are going to have wings that are barely the length of their body, and they have a very distinct waist, where the termites, you can see, more look like a black piece of rice. That's one of the identifying things that is quickest to notice. But you still need to come see us and get a positive ID, because it can be confusing. These are winged carpenter ants, and you can see that their wings are just barely tiny bit longer than their body. Now, carpenter ants and termites both do wood damage, but carpenter ants don't eat the wood. They just move it to make tunnels. And sometimes they move into old termite tunnels, which can say, guess what? You might have had termites and you didn't even know it, because the carpenter ants just moved into their abandoned house. So be aware of that and know that termites can do considerable damage in a much shorter amount of time. If you see a tunnel of mud, a little about the size of my finger, coming down or up a wall on the inside or outside, don't disturb it. Bring us a picture or email us a picture, come and tell us about it, and we will explain what to do. You need your home inspected. We do that for free. And then there are things you can do yourself to prevent termites and kill them for up to 5 years at a time with one application. But in most situations, if the termites have already moved into the house, you're going to need some professional help too, which we also do for you at very reasonable rates with amazing lifetime warranties. So please, 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 if there's a question at all of which one you're looking at, or even whether or not your house has ever had termites, come and see us, schedule a free termite inspection no matter what time of year it is, or whether you've seen anything or not. It can save you a lot of time, a lot of money, a lot of second guessing yourself, and protect your home for years and years to come. Thanks.